You got your whole family set up on their phones. Now you're trying to figure out how to get everyone off them. Creating a family charging station is an easy and useful way to get all your devices in one place and out of the bedroom and living room, so you're not inclined to use them during family time or when you should really be sleeping. These 4 ideas for DIY charging stations will keep your gadgets all in one place, ready for the next day. IKEA's got an inexpensive but stylish option with its lidded Roma box to hide all those cables. Add in a triple pad charger and a power strip to round out that clean, uncluttered look we all know and love from the Swedish furniture giant. If a more modular style is your endgame, Anker's got the perfect setup. Its slim charger pad and stand combined with its 6 or 10 port charger may be less discreet, but it could give you more options. And if you want the best of both worlds, Saatchi's sleek charging stations combine a modular style with a docking station to power up multiple devices at once. You can add a stand for your Apple Watch, a dual watch and phone charging station to go beyond, and a handy travel charger for on the go. Or go for an even more polished look with the Griffin PowerDock Pro, which has a built-in cord management feature to keep things looking tidy. And there you go, all your devices out of sight and out of mind. Just make sure you also bought yourself an alarm clock.